She's a Brum biker, Brum rider. Give your bike a rev, then put down your visor. Yeah.
We're outside again. Yo, we're outside again. Hey, yeah, family, we just want to try and clear the carbs a bit, man. If you know what I mean. And family, if you're new to the channel and you like what we do, man, here, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. And let's do it. So yeah, man, we're gonna do like first and second gear, nice pull. Let's feel some of these horses. Nothing crazy. We're just gonna, like I said, man, try and quote unquote clear the carbs. Look, what's that, a KTM? So yeah, that's what we're going to do. So we're going to turn left there. So be careful with that road though. I think even more when you're coming up it. Come on, come on. Give it a pull. It does pull really good. But I'll be damned if I'm taking him up in that red area. You know what I'm saying? That second pull's quite aggressive still, I can't lie. Let's wind it up a little bit. Oh my gosh. Rotted. Yes. She's aggy. She's aggy, she's going mad. Stinks of flipping tar up here, man. second pull. Actually, don't go this way. Right, I know. See all these sides right here? I remember we used to cut through there to go back to my yard. And then over there is the other side of Neutrals. Is it Kellett Road? It used to be Streatham House. What was the other one called? I can't remember. If you remember, guys, if you know these ends, put it in the comments. Then you got Cromwell over that side, over the side. What else was there? Like Bloomsbury, Bradburn, all them ways there. And there used to be AB flexures down here. I don't even know if they're still here. Yeah, all these new builds used to be all masonettes and that back in the day. In fact, let's have a look. These roads are horrible, man. Kellett Road, that was it. All around here used to be masonettes. Crazy. What is that? No through road? Alright, let's see if we can flick it round there. Alright. Nice and smooth. That's where you hear the pops and bangs, man, when you let it go up in the rev range. In fact, this. Houses are quite nice, to be fair. Nice look at ends. Spin this round. Oh. Yeah, family, that's the other side of Neutrals. Kellett Road and then place there. If you know it, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna get out of here now. Well, family, you know how the thing goes. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share the video, drop a comment. You know, like that. We are
Brum biker. Yeah. Na 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 na.